guys, do a top knot bun with me, but I'm not going to use any gel because I'm going to be washing my hair soon. So I'm just going to use leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the Luster's Pink Moisturizer leave-in conditioner. It's what my mom used when I was a kid. I still use it now. I feel like it works great. Really, like, all that I do is like make sure my hair is like drenched wet. My hair's so dirty. I'm gonna take off my ring. And then I just use like a ton all around my perimeter. Really all in my hair. But like that should be enough. I'm taking like a hard bristle brush first and then just molding my hair into like the bun. My arms hurt. And then I take 2 scrunchies or hair ties together because my hair is really thick. And then I just smooth it with a soft bristle brush to get any of the flyaways. I'm only gonna do 2 so I don't give myself a headache. Just 2. And then I just play with my ponytail until it's like the volume and the shape I want. Make sure it's in a little ball. That's it. And I still have like a little bit of flyaways, but honestly it's not that bad. But this is my bun. It really only takes me like 5 minutes.